Hi everyone, come with me to make agua de guayaba. For this recipe, you'll need 12 guavas, 1 cup of sugar, some ice, 12 cups of water. Here we're going to start by cutting the guavas. Now we're going to add our guavas in our blender. We're also going to add our sugar. And we're going to add our water in here. Now we're going to blend it. Here we have it ready now, and we're going to strain it so there aren't any seeds in our water. And this is what I took out. Now we're going to stir well. Now we're ready to serve our agua de guayaba. Here is my delicious agua de guayaba. I hope you guys try it and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys next time.